Hi from POSBean Retail Software. Today I'll show how to make a product kit offer. To do the product kit offer, first go to admin and then go to purchase and then schemes. In schemes you can see that there's a product kit, so click on the product kit and then go to file and then new. So here you have to mention the new product kit. So I'm providing the combo offer 9.99 and then click on to OK. And in the barcode you should click on to F4 and then before providing the item here, first you have to give the refresh and then go to barcode and then give F4 for the manual search and provide the item here. Then you have to provide the volume, that is for per kg, that is 1. And then next you have to provide the barcode. So all the items have to provide for 1 volume per kg. Like this I have created the 11 items, so it should match the offer alert for 999. So after providing the volume and the items, you have to click on to Control S and then save it. So after saving this, you have to go to point of sale. Then you have to provide the refresh. After providing the refresh, go to tools. Here you can see the product kit. And here you can see there is a combo offer 999 that I had mentioned for the new product kit. You have to select this and then click on to OK. Later the items will get displayed here. So for the billing, go to F12 and then provide the amount and then click on to OK. We'll ask to print the bill. If you want to print the bill, you can click on to S or else no. So this is called product kit offer. Thank you.